No, we're just letting you learn how to hammer a nail. You can go and show your dad. You want to show him the board?
I want to do one.
You want to do some more?
Look on this page. Look on this page.
So we'll do it in here, because then you can show your dad all the nails that you put in the board. Whoops, that one's a little crooked. I can remember doing this as a kid. Hammering nails into a board. There. Hammer it in. That one's going a little crooked. Let me straighten it out. Put it in a new spot. There, try it now. That's okay. Here, I'll show you. You go like this. Okay, now. You do it like you're mad at it.